Sick.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today is finally going to be a Q50 video. I have not done anything to this car since I think the wheels, I'm not sure, but finally I'm going to do something to this car. As you guys read by the title of today's video, I will be installing some test pipes. So my current exhaust setup is just a muffler delete. I'm not gonna lie, the car sounds pretty good, but it's just not loud enough. And I would just go cut off the resonators, you know, something cheap. But I want to like actually tune the car, and when I tune the car, I'm gonna add test pipes. So I might as well leave the stock resonators, leave the mufflers off, cut off, and add some test pipes. The reason I'm doing this cheap setup is because first, it's cheap, and second, I've already I haven't had a car with this setup, but my boy Andres, if you guys remember him, he had a 370Z. He had that exact same setup, test pipes, muffler delete, and I think it sounded pretty good. So I'm gonna follow him in his footsteps and see how it sounds. Just so you guys can hear how the car currently sounds, I'm gonna go ahead and downshift. So the car is definitely not quiet, but it just needs a little bit more. And I'll probably eventually put like some, I don't know, like either like a Motordyne exhaust or like a Tomei, but for now, can't go wrong with like a test pipe muffler delete setup. It's not gonna sound as good as the exhaust that I just mentioned, but it'll sound okay. And we got a wide body behind me. Lucky I'm not in the race car, buddy. Go ahead and do a little pull for you guys, so you guys can also hear the before and after. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. The car's already on the lift. Bro, this is like VQ heaven. There's like 25 EQs in this parking lot. There's like 8 Nismos in here too. It's crazy. But yeah, car is getting the test pipes on. I'm excited to see how it sounds. It should sound pretty sick. It's crazy guys, I just realized, you guys probably can't see that well, but this Z right here used to be my homie Jimmy's, the guy with the R32. It used to be his. He had it probably like a couple months ago. I was looking at it, I was like, damn, that looks exactly like Jimmy's. And then I remember it had like something on the rear quarter panel. It's the exact same car, but that's crazy. Alright guys, here are the test pipes. Try to show them. Sick ass food. Damn, bro, this thing sounds pretty freaking good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, bro, this thing is loud! Oh, I think that's a cop right there too. Oh, is it? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Dude, no way. Okay, I knew it was gonna be loud, but dude, this thing sounds freaking good. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but wow. If you guys are on a budget for your builds, like I am with this one, do a muffler delete with test pipes, bro. This thing sounds pretty freaking good. And by the way, I'm in like a city that hates modified cars, and I'm doing this. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. But damn, bro, I'm happy. It should still break in a little bit. What do you guys think? Should I go get tuned now? Damn, bro, this thing is loud. I'll do a little pull for you guys right now. And now we're cruising like if we're stopped, bro. That's what I like about this car, man. Like, well, especially this setup. When I want to be loud, I'll be loud. But when I want to be quiet, like I'm quiet. And since I have like stock tips and everything, it looks kind of stock for the most part. Ew, it kind of does have a little bit of that trumpet noise. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't really care. It's just a daily. Once I get tired of this setup, then I'll go for something more expensive, like I said earlier in this video, a Tomei or a more than exhaust, maybe even an arc exhaust. But for now, I'm happy. Guys, ended up leaving the gym early for you guys so I could record this part of the video. Got the homie, the 335 IS in front of me. Got two CO cats behind us. We're gonna hit this meet, this local meet. Yeah, let's see what we see tonight. I don't really like going to these meets around here anymore just because they get a little ratchet, but this is actually like, I guess, like a car show or whatever. Like, we're gonna have to pay to get in, so let's hope there's no people acting out. Guys, we made it to the meet. Little parking over here. Sounds like a pretty good turnout. There's a lot of cars. Got this Mustang on the beat lot. Sick asshole. Fucking Gap Patrol. Sick asshole. That's pretty sick, bro. To Gap and make them sell it. Let's look at these cars with the hoods popped. Oh, K-swap. Nice. One small. What about this one? We got the D over here. Oh yeah, BQ the world, baby. Well, why they gotta be a train? So this meet is like Halloween themed, bro. People go all out. It's pretty sick. Props. I wouldn't be able to do that. Clean NSX. Super. We got an R34 wagon over here. You don't see these every day. Yeah, your kids will never be laying this. We got a 2JZ swap Sentra over here. Oh, mom. Oh, it really is. Got this Mustang on the full drag pack. Sick ass. You think he'll got me? I think so. The plate. So I guess it's a limbo competition. I'm gonna buy a Miata, bro, and literally slam the shit out of it. Just so I can do this. I'll walk in. And that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys all like the new mod. I hope you guys all like how it's sounding. I like how it sounds. I'm not gonna lie though, it does sound like a little trumpet sometimes. But for the most part, I do like how it sounds. It is a lot louder, which is what I wanted. And I mean, if I do ever like get tired of the trumpet noise, if it continues, then I mean, I'll just buy like a Tome or a more than exhaust, or even an arc exhaust like I had mentioned. But for now, I'm happy. I'm thinking about tuning the car, maybe putting it on 85 and pretty much just leaving it on test pipes only. The main reason is so I could just stop paying $7 a gallon for gas, bro. Here in California, gas is like $6.79 per gallon, which is ridiculous. Meanwhile, E85 is like $3 and like, I don't know, like 20 cents, which is significantly better, even though E85 does waste faster. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoy the Q50 content and want to see more of it and more of the boosted Z, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys get whenever I post. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.